Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Iconic Coach presenting this very unique vehicle. 2011 Dodge Charger, about 63,000 miles. You can tell right off the bat, it does have a wide body kit, Asanti wheels. Very nice car. You can see 24-inch wheels, I believe. Custom interior. Amazing sound system. Cat skin leather seat covers with the blue stitching. Center console is in excellent shape too. Upgraded Kenwood sound system. Non-smoking car. See the dash is in amazing shape. Custom stripes. Interior as well, non-smoking. No strange pet odors. Leather interior. Blue stitching. V6 engine. Beautiful sound system here. Memphis audio. Amplifier. I believe those are 12-inch. Maybe wrong. 50 state legal, customer preferred package. 3.6 liter V6. Bright white 5-speed transmission. Driver's door as well. Nice shape. 63,000 miles. Steering wheel, all the buttons, really nice. Driver's seat, no wear as well. This car gets about 18 miles per gallon in the city, 27 on the freeway. Upgraded headlights, xenon. Start it up for you real quick. All right, if you're looking for something super unique to take to any car show, turn heads anywhere you go, this is it. Give us a call, 858-382-1319. Somebody spent a ton of money creating this beautiful vehicle. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this.